Now for these questions, we start with whole numbers and we're adding or subtracting fractions. Now adding a fraction to a whole number is really simple. 5 plus 2/3 can just be written as 5 and 2/3. Subtracting is a little bit trickier, so 1 minus 1/5 is 4/5, and that makes sense if you remember that 1 can be written as 5/5, because whenever you have a fraction with the same numerator and denominator, you have one whole. Or, using the inverse, 4/5 plus 1/5 would be 5/5, and 5/5 is the same as 1. Now 1 minus 5/7. That's 2/7, because if we think of 1 as being 7/7, then 7/7 minus 5/7 is 2/7. Also, spot this pattern. 1 plus 4 adds up to the number in our denominator. 5 plus 2 adds up to the number in our denominator. Now we have 3 minus 5/6. That's 2 and 1/6, so the whole number is 1 less, but then we can just think 1 minus 5/6 would be 1/6, so 1/6 is our fraction. Also notice, if we use the inverse, 2 and 1/6 plus 5/6 would be 2 and 6/6, but we know that 6/6 is the same as 1, so 2 and 1 make 3. Now 3 minus 1/5 is 2 and 4/5. Notice how this is similar to the question above. We know that 1 minus 1/5 is 4/5, so if we've got 3 minus 1/5, we've got 2 and 4/5, because 3 is 2 more than 1. Now 5 minus 5/7 is 4 and 2/7. Again, we can see how this is similar to the question above. If we've got 1 minus 5/7, we've got 2/7. So if we've got 5 minus 5/7, we've got 4 and 2/7, because 5 is 4 more than 1. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.